How to redeem Genshin Impact gift cards online. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily enter the redeem code on Genshin Impact. The first thing you do is open up your web browser, and then here all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for Genshin Impact code redeem. Now from here, you're going to have to tap on the first link you see, genshin.hoyoverse.com. You're just going to have to log into your Hoyoverse account here that's connected to your Genshin Impact. So all you have to do now is click on the server, select the server that you play on. But before that, you're just going to have to log in. So I'm just going to quickly log into my account. And once you have logged into your account here, you could just go ahead and select your server. So I'm just going to select Asia for now. And then you can enter your nickname. So there is no nickname entered in the current server, so if I just select server where my nickname is entered, you could do that and then simply enter the redeem code here. So here are some of the things you need to know before entering the redeem code. You can log into your account to make sure that you've created a character in the game and have linked your Hoyoverse account in the user center. Otherwise, you will be unable to redeem your code. And after redeeming the code successfully, the system will issue the reward via in-game mail. And if there are no special circumstances, the mail is valid for 30 days by default. So you're just going to have to log into the game and claim it as soon as possible. You're just going to have to pay the attention to redemption conditions and validity period of the redemption code. The code cannot be redeemed after it expires, so make sure that you enter a valid code to get the reward. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.